Hey, what's up, viewers? So I have this 2011 Acura TL. The issue is not starting, so no start, no crank, not even turning over. So the engine is not even turning over. See, I'm pressing this push button. I removed the key fob right here, so I put another one, didn't work. So that's the reason I remove all this stuff. So it was not the key fob or the ignition switch. I have the key with me, so it doesn't do anything. So when you push it, see, here's the key, put it in there, nothing. All right, so as you can see, I put the key in there. It's supposed to start without a key. Even this car is starting with the remote. So it's not clicking or turning over, nothing at all. So it's 2011 Acura TL. So let's go under the hood, see what's going on. All right, I'll just put it on position. Let's go under the hood because I already hooked up. I'm gonna check the battery. I have my voltmeter right here. So I'm gonna put it right here to test the volt. So battery is good. See, I'm getting 12.13 volt. So the battery is good. Next step, what I'm going to do is going through the relay and fuse. So I'm going to find out the starter fuse, relay. I'm going to check that, and here's the fuse and relay. So that's the fuse. I already hooked up my test light. So I'm going to test all the. See, I'm getting ground up. That's good. Sliding. Good. Good. It's good. It's good. Okay. Checking all the fuse. Make sure they're all good. Okay. So far all the fuses are good. So all the fuses are good. Next step, what I'm going to do, going to the starter. So I have the starter right here. Let me see if I'm getting. The starter is right down here. If you can see, that's the it's already got ground in there, and that's the fitting. Let's see if I be able to get in. Okay, see, I got a power in there, so that's the power, and I have a ground. What I have to check is the starter solenoid. This wire is coming from the relay and the ignition switch. So I'm gonna test that. It's kind of hard to work with one hand, so just bear with me. Sorry about it. Kind of shaky camera because I'm working with one hand. So I'm not getting any fit in there on the starter solenoid, nothing. So nothing on the starter solenoid. So it's alright. Nothing in there. So before I started recording, so I just tapped the starter, I want to start, and I did some other procedure before I even started recording, and so far I'm assuming the starter is good, because I got the live fit in there and ground in there, so I have to go for the fuel, and then if I got a fuel in there, I'll come back to the starter, and then going next to the check the coil pack, spark plug, check the coil pack if there's any power get in there, and then go all the procedures so to get it started. All right, so I'll dig into it, so I'll be back, okay?